Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do a super fun manicure using gradients and neon colors that also glow under black light. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So for this look, I'm using a base that's a neon color. So this is Electric Daisy by Cirque Colors. This is one of the shades of the Vice collection from a few years back, and it doesn't have to be perfect here because we're just gonna cover with more coats or with the gradients. So for the gradients, I'm using sponges, and this is a trick that I find super helpful. Is just put it into water, just remove the excess in a lint-free wipe, and then you can apply your colors. That will help to avoid the excess of polish on your sponge, but as well if it's humid, it will help not to stick what's underneath. So here it's very important that you cover all the nails just to make sure that you got polish into all of this space, and I'm doing 3 coats to reach full opacity. That will depend on the kind of polish that you use, but these were a little bit liquidy. If you use polishes that are a little bit more dense, it will probably be enough with only 2 coats. Or if you're using stamping polishes, that's also probably 1 or 2 coats. After doing some cleanup, I'm gonna add this topper, and this is gonna create the effect that has little spots here and there, very abstract, nothing too organized. And I'm gonna add a stamping design on top of that. So I really wanted the gradient to show, and also the spotted topper. So I just found that a line will be the best option for this design. And I'm applying this smudge free top coat as always, and my glossy top coat to finish the look. And I really love these colors together and how they blend in this beautiful gradient. I feel it's very nice for summer, spring. Let me know how you feel about this design in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.